Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw BNB from Bitrue to crypto.com in 2025. With the crypto world evolving rapidly, knowing how to move your assets securely is crucial, especially for BNB, Binance's native token. Whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio or just transfer funds, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitrue and crypto.com, and that your BNB is available in your Bitrue wallet. Security is key, so enable two-factor authentication on both platforms before we start. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section and select BNB from your holdings. Look for the Withdraw button. It's usually right there, easy to spot. Step 2. Enter the withdrawal details. You'll need to specify the amount of BNB you want to withdraw. Remember, check for any network fees. In 2025, these might vary based on blockchain congestion, so aim to withdraw a bit more to cover costs. Step 3. Input your crypto.com wallet address. Double-check this. Crypto transactions are irreversible. If you're using the BNB Smart Chain, ensure it's the correct network. Crypto.com supports this, but always verify in their app or website. Step 4. Review and confirm. Bitrue will show you a summary of the transaction, including fees and the final amount. If everything looks good, hit confirm and wait for the two-factor authentication prompt. Once approved, the withdrawal process begins. On the crypto.com side, keep an eye on your wallet. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the BNB to show up, depending on network traffic. Pro tip. In 2025, with potential updates to blockchain tech, always use the latest app versions to avoid delays. And there you have it. Your BNB is now safely in your crypto.com account. This process keeps your funds moving smoothly and securely. If you run into any issues, reach out to the exchange's support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you in the next one.